Hi, my name is Lucas, and I am responsible for the data analysis part of this project.
Hello, my name is also Lucas, and I'm responsible for testing the sensors.
Hello, my name is Krish and our team ID is 24 and I'm responsible for live UI and app design and our project is for Camper Hall. We are going to start the project now. Let's go.
Enter. If you allow me,
No.
I am going to
No.
give an introduction.
Okay, let's go.
So, we've improved on mini project 5, and this is the interface, mini project 5, and we are going to start collecting data. However, before we start collecting data, I am going to show you how we start this program. So we have to drag the red dot to indicate where we are in the building, so it knows that it's initial condition, and we're going to point the arrow towards where we're going, because that will be the orientation of our phone. And when this dot or its path is red, it means we're using dead reckoning, and if the path is green, it means that we are using GPS sensing. And now, without further ado, allow me to start collecting data. Now we just have to wait for the cell phone to connect to the computer, and we will first show I think changing floors. So we're going to walk upstairs and walk down and show that it changes. Come on. Is it connected?
It's connecting.
It's connected. Good.
Yes.
Excellent.
Alright, excellent. Let's go.
Let's walk upstairs. Work together. Going upwards.
Dead reckoning is working
Yes.
and it's going to change its position from first to second floor.
Yes. And it changed.
Here, let's go. Wow.
Let's walk down.
Now we're going to walk downwards again.
Seems like we are expecting a drift. However, once we exit the building,
We will shift to GPS.
yes. And this should work. Seems like we're having a big error. Big error.
That's alright.
Yes. Still using dead reckoning. And there it is, you see?
Green.
So,
Now it's
so the
changed to
sensors-
GPS.
That's right. So the sensors transition, and this is what we should expect. So we are back here now, and GPS corrects the position.
Now we are going to loop around temple
Now we're going
to
to
show
walk
the
around
GPS
campus.
path.
Show the GPS path indeed. Here is the GPS path and GPS signal, and here is the accelerometer and dead reckoning. Now, since we recover the quality of the GPS, we are using GPS to demonstrate our path and motion.
So, you made the dead reckoning. You want to talk a little bit about it?
Indeed, the dead reckoning was improved upon Mini Project 5, and we collected acceleration, and we integrated twice using trap Z function in MATLAB, and it generates a path where we can trace. And with that, we can map out a path.
Awesome.
So after here, and
Show them. You can make that go. Now, sis. Oh, no. You're winning. Good. Now, introduce your part.
Okay. I worked on the Think Speak and the replay feature at the end. So the Think Speak, took a while to complete. Like we were having some issues with it, but we ended up having like messed up API keys, and we had to reset them. But we eventually got them to work, and it's really cool. So what it's actually doing is when you upload the data, you're uploading pretty much everything. Like you're uploading the longitude, latitude, you're uploading the altitude, speed, and you're also uploading the regime.
How's the GPS looking like? GPS track?
It's looking just right. We are just going to make a left turn, and we should expect a short turn here.
Yes.
Low.
Perfect. Excellent.
Good. I think we should walk just a little faster so we can complete the loop. Show the creator some view of temper.
Alright, Lucas.
Here's Temper.
Beautiful.
And what's cool about this is there's also a replay feature. So anytime you save a walk, you can access it again. It's all stored. Even if you close the app and reopen it, the walks from before are still stored, so you can actually go back and see previous walk.
Now, as you can see,
Yeah.
the GPS path is also moving, and it's perfect.
Yes, as
It's
I
moving.
mentioned, there's a short turn because we are walking down. So we're walking back, sorry.
And we're gonna enter the building from a different entry right now.
That was my question about the advisor.
Before we conclude this part, allow me to show you the GPS path and where we are. This is great because this is the closure of.
Perfect. Now I'm gonna talk more about the Think Speak function. As we can see, we have completed our data collection, and we can stop it.
Good.
Okay. And now we can submit the data on Think Speak.
Oh, so much delay here.
Yes.
Yes.
Upload Think Speak. Good. Upload. And it's now uploaded on Think Speak.
It's because the sensor disconnected, so it didn't complete the full loop.
That's right.
And now it's updated on Think Speak.
And we can choose our. We can choose a previous box from here.
Yes. And you wanna show the Think Speak graphs?
Of course.
He's loading his computer, so I'll just forward it so we don't lose time.
And here's the Think Speak channel.
Excellent.
And here are the channels.
Fields 1 through 8,
Yeah.
they all are labeled.
So the first one is latitude, longitude, altitude, floor, speed, acceleration, magnitude, and regime, and walk ID. So walk ID indicates which run this is, and regime says we are either using dead reckoning or GPS. And here says the acceleration, so we walked up and down.
Alright, that's it. I would like to say thank you. And we're done.
Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the project.
The final thing, we also have a replay feature in which you could display all the walks, or like all the previous works you have done. And if you click this, and you can just replay walk, and it would show what the previous walk was.
Regarding return to that error, it's actually very small. So when we started recording, we went upstairs and we went downstairs. And because we went upstairs, we were accelerating. very quickly, and because the sensor records data in a very low frequency, it was saying that we accelerated at our maximum acceleration for a long and extended period of time, and for that, it induced a large drift towards the other direction, and that has caused the drift. However, immediately after exiting the building, GPS has taken over.
So as we exited the building, the GPS started being active, and all the differences the day tracking had, the GPS solved it. And as soon as we exited the building, the exact coordinates were there on GPS. And while we looped around the building, the GPS showed an excellent path, and the path of Kemper, which you can see here again. And let's see. And we entered the building from here.
And what happened when we entered the building?
So when we entered the building, the sensor was tracking fine, right? And we walked around, and then we entered the building from the other side over there, which the sensor actually stopped tracking from. So that's why there's a discrepancy. That's why there's this big displacement between the 2 points.
Yes, and once we entered the building, the sensor has switched back to dead reckoning, and for that, there's a displacement.
Alright. That's it. Thank you.
Thank you.
No, that's why I did. I signed. I